Hi everybody! Another day, another vlog. Let's cook today. So, nag-crave ako ng curry. So, we will cook chicken and pork curry. So, ito ang ating MP5. So, this is our multi-purpose. So, this is like 5-in-1. This is basically a rice cooker. So, you can cook rice here. 7 cups of maximum here. So, you can also do roasting your lechon manok here. So, you can slow cooker. So, you can bake here. So, today we're going to cook our chicken curry. So, hindi siya preheated. Nahugasan ko na yan. Okay. So, ang kagandahan sa Salad Master is that we have a damping system. Which means, hindi mo kailangan magtambay sa kusina, especially if you're using the electric one, because you set it and forget it. So, what we have here right now, okay? So, we have pork here. So, we have pork, chicken. Hinalo ko na siya. Okay. So, this is Mike's way, Salad Master way. Hindi ako gagamit ng water. I will just use the coconut. Parang may nalaglag yata. Wala naman. Okay, wala naman. Akala ko may nalaglag naman. So, I will just use coconut milk and coconut cream. Okay. So, I will just use 1 can of this. And then, ilagay ko lang yung mga onions. Wow. So, instead of water, ito na yung gagamitin ko na tawag dito, liquid. So, the Salad Master actually, it really saves 50% of your time. Of course, if you're saving time in cooking, definitely you are also saving energy. Ito, more on natural to. So, sa mga taong hindi mahilig magluto, pero kailangan magluto, this is really a good one. Okay. So, we have I'm using a black garlic kasi, according to research, maganda yung benefits niya. And we have some onion. That's ginger. And we have onions. A lot of onions. I love onions, guys. Yan. So, I know you have your own style of cooking, but this one, you're gonna love it. Okay. Ayan. After that, we have, this is a Japanese curry. Yan. So, mild lang to. I'm just gonna put this one. So, isiset ko to siya, guys, ng, ano sugatan ako? Hindi ko mabuksan. Isiset ko siya ng 365 degrees to 35 minutes. So, mamaya pa nag-click na siya. Okay. So, ilalagay ko lang yung mga gulay later on. Yan. Smells good na. So, if you want to know where you can buy this one, you can buy this one in the Asian store. Okay. So, tatlo lang siguro. Okay na. I'll just add later according to color later. So, that's it. Pansit. So, I'll close it. Okay. I have my digital probe here. So, I'll set it to 365. Okay. So, we have 5 buttons here. Okay. So, 150 is the lowest. And then we'll put in 365. So, every time you move, it's by 5. So, more. Oops. So, you can adjust it down. And then, 35 minutes. Okay. So, galing guys trabaho, pagod kayo. Actually, yung some part of the pork actually frozen po yun, guys. So, hindi ko na siya ma-adjust, guys. So, what you can do is that press temperature. Oh my God. Press temperature again. And then, timer. And then, you can. Yes, 35. Yan. And then, that's it. I'm going to plug it. Set it and forget it. Okay? Ayan, guys. Nagkiklik-click na siya. Ang tawag dyan is nutrition protector. Ibig sabihin, kung especially may gulay ka na dyan sa loob, it's time for you to low heat. Kaso lang wala pa namang gulay dyan. So, I'm just gonna open it. Let's see kung ano na yung itsura niya. Wow! Ang bango-bango niya, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ayan. So, try natin haluin. Para mapunta naman sa baba yung ano. So, parang kailangan pa ng konting kulay para magkaroon naman talagang curry talaga na yellow. Siyempre, hindi pa luto yan, guys, yung ano, yung meat. So, ilagay ko pa yung isang ano, yung isang curry. Yan. Tapos, pwede ko na siya malagay actually yung potatoes para maluto siya. Yan. And then I have, hinalo ko yung sweet potato at saka ano, patatas. Sayang kasi yung guys yung ano, yung potato na natira. Kesa mabulok kaya. Sorry. Ang bango-bango. Hello. So, lagay ko na yung isang, yung coconut cream, maglagay ako para ano, talagang malasa talaga siya. Maglagay ako yung coconut. Ito yung, ito maganda talaga. Ay, siya. Okay. Yes. Excited na ako guys sa ano ko. Sa aking coconut curry. Takpan muna natin guys para maya lagay ko yung ibang gulay kasi meron pa dyan nakatira actually yan 14 minutes. Ayan guys, so ito yung sinasabi ko na automatic shut off lang yan pag nilagyan mo ng timer. So let's check this out. Tingnan mo naman. Wow! But parang hindi pa ata luto yung meat kasi iba dyan is frozen. Okay? So, let's just add a little bit more time. Para wow, guys, ang bango-bango. Diba? Ganyan ang kadali. So, maybe I can put already the carrots. Okay. Ang ating carrots. Puno ng sustansya. Diba? Okay. Ready. I can add more 25 minutes para sobrang lambot lang ating meat po. Okay. Just add, maybe I can just put in 300 for 25 minutes so that ano, talagang super lambot. And then lagyan lang natin ng konting, kasi mahilig ako sa paminta talaga guys. Let's just put a little bit. Oh my God. Okay. And a little bit of mixing it para yung ano niya. Yan. Okay. Wow. Walala. So, again, we'll put this one for 300 na lang lagay natin. Oops. 300. And then for 25 minutes. Then, let's wait it, guys. I'm so excited. Gutom na ba kayo, guys? Let's check it out, guys. Woo! La la! Oh, really? I think ito yung perfect na curry na nagawa ko ngayon. Tingnan natin kung luto na yung ano. Oh, yes. Yes. Luto na. Luto na yung ating meat. Perfect. Okay. Let's see the ano. I think the potatoes are also good. Yeah. So, ilagay ko na yung I'm so excited. Masarap to sa kanin. Unlimited rice. So, ilagay ko na lang yung remaining guys na gulay. Itong green pepper. Okay. Kasi 7 minutes na lang din. And then it's done. So, that's it guys. So thank you for watching. So if you have any questions, you can just message after the video, or if you have any suggestions the next time that I'm going to cook, I can do that for you in Salad Master way. Bye. Happy blessed day or week ahead on you guys. Bye.